Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Rufus USB stick to clean install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. This is the part 3 of my Rufus series, where we explore how to use Rufus to customize your Windows installation. Please check my channel for information on the other videos in this Rufus series. Let's begin. This is the Windows 10 PC that we will use for this demo. Using the Settings app and also the PC Health Check app, we see that the PC does not support Windows 11 due to lack of TPM 2.0. Let's go ahead and install Windows 11 on it anyway. First, back up your entire PC. A clean install erases all system data and gives you a fresh copy of Windows 11. Now, to perform a clean install, you basically boot from the USB stick and launch the Windows 11 setup from there. So first, identify the boot menu key for your PC. This is the key that you use to enter the boot menu. If you don't know what your boot menu key is, simply consult your PC manual, or you can search online for the boot menu key of your PC maker model. Next, plug in your Rufus USB stick to your PC. This is the bootable USB stick that you created in part 1 of this series. Mine is already plugged in. Then restart your PC with the USB stick still plugged in. As the PC boots, repeatedly press the boot menu key so as to enter the boot menu. Now we are in the boot menu. Inside the boot menu, use your arrow key to navigate and select the USB stick. Then press enter. This will launch the Windows 11 installation process. From this point onwards, select your installation options accordingly. Now select your setup option. Since we are doing a clean install, you go with the first option, install Windows 11. Then agree that your data will be deleted and click on next. Now you specify where to install Windows 11. You should select your primary drive. If the system is already in use, like we have here, then you have some partitions. To perform a clean install, you need to delete all these existing Windows partitions until you regain your full system drive. Take care not to delete the USB drive that you are booting from. In my case, my USB drive is shown as disk 1. So I will select all the disk zeros and then delete. Now we have our full system drive, which is 100 gig. Simply select it and then click on next. And then install. Now the clean installation of Windows 11 has begun. We'll let this run and return back when it's done. Your PC will restart several times. Next, you configure your out-of-box experience, OOBE. If you want to use a Microsoft account with your PC, then continue the setup as normal. However, we want to use a local account for this PC. So at this point, disconnect your internet connection. You can then continue the OB setup by selecting your setup options accordingly. Now, on the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, you'll see an option that says, I don't have internet. Click that. This now takes you to the local account setup page where you can enter your username. Simply enter your username and an optional password to continue. I'm going to say no to all telemetry data requests. And here it is, Windows 11 OS running on an unsupported PC. That's how you use the Rufus tool to perform a clean install on an unsupported PC and also create a local account. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more.